Okay, in today's lesson we will be learning to add and subtract numbers. How to do basic addition. Addition in math is having a number increase the total of another number. So to me, you have 3 pieces of chocolate, and let's say I have 10 that I give to you. When adding, the total will be 13. A quick tip for doing addition is to count using your fingers. This is what addition problems look like. 1 plus 2, if you add them together you get 3. 4 plus 7, adding those together you get 11. 5 plus 2, you add those together you get 7. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 12 plus 10 equals 22. And 9 plus 9 equals 18. Alright, let's practice some addition. Okay, 5 plus 5. I'll give you some time. If you added them together and you got 10, you were right. Let's do another one. 15 plus 10. The numbers are a little bit bigger. If you got 25, you got the answer correct. How about 10 plus 19? Did you guys get 30? Just kidding, it's 29. Basic subtraction. In subtraction, we do the opposite of addition. We are using one number to lower the value of a number. Like if you had 10 pieces of candy and I took 5. You only have 5, which is less than 10. These problems look like this. Notice the difference between the signs in the middle of the number. Subtraction, it's just one straight line, while in addition, it's a horizontal and vertical line together. Problems like 10 minus 7 equals 3, 12 minus 11 equals 1, 7 minus 2 equals 5, 20 minus 5 equals 15, 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Let's practice some subtraction. Let's go. 20 minus 3. Let's start a little bit challenging. Hopefully you guys all got 17. 15 minus 5. Good job if you got 10. And 9 minus 7. Number 2. Okay, let's do both. 15 plus 8 is 23. 10 minus 3, 7. 6 plus 3, 9. And for a bonus, you guys get to come up with your own. So choose any two numbers that either add up to 11 or subtract to 11. And there are a lot of combinations you can use for that, so come up with a bunch, as much as you can. One example could be 20 minus 9. And that'll do it for addition and subtraction.